Welcome back, and on this episode we're finally detailing the exterior of the C4. As you can see, the paint is absolutely thrashed on this car, so there's plenty of work to be done on the Repo C4. Since you last saw the car, we did a few things off camera, like I replaced the bonnet with a plain black one that didn't have a red spot showing. I also changed the rear shocks as well because the bushes on the bottom of the shocks were cracked. So I've now got a set of Coney Streets in there, as well as just cleaning up a few of the electrical gremlins that the Citroen seem to be plagued with. Starting off here with the wheels like I normally do. These wheels look amazing when they're clean, being that nice sort of satin bronze, so let's get to it and hopefully you enjoy the start of the transformation. Moving on to my test panel, it seems like my go-to combination of the Lake Country Orange medium density pad with the Koch Chemie F6 was the best way to go. It seemed to do really well, particularly when I slowed down my arm speed to a super slow speed and really got heat into the panel. It did all the correcting I could possibly need and actually refined reasonably well as well. Have a look at the transformation down the side of the car with just one step of the polishing process. I was quite intrigued to see how the bonnet would turn out, particularly because this was the only black bonnet that I could find for a C4 in the country. It was a 5-hour round trip for me to go pick it up on a Friday evening, so it was quite a hassle to get a hold of. It was like I said, the only black C4 bonnet that I could find that didn't have paint flaking off it. It seems to be really common that the C4s have particularly bad paint, so the roof and the bonnet tend to be just gone, just destroyed, and you can't bring them back. But this one actually had some clear coat left, so I was yeah, quite interested to see how my 5-hour round trip would actually pay dividends. Once I finished going around the car, cutting it with F6, I then chased it with the micro cut to give it that last little 5%. And I find on black cars in particular, I do it on every black car, it just makes it pop that little bit more. I of course had to polish up the aftermarket twin tips, because when do I ever give up an opportunity to metal polish? Let's be real. And to stop it from looking like every other C4 in the country with faded panels, I ceramic coated it with 2 coats of CarPro C Quartz 3.0 UK to really give it that deep gloss and seal in my hard work. And there it is. My little French turd actually looks somewhat presentable. The gloss, I was really happy with the level of gloss that I could get out of this car. I can't wait to start driving it around and go to some car meets in it. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like, subscribe, comment, do all the things.